So when you play this bamboozle game, you'll play with a partner. Find your partner and click on the pencil so that you can give your partner and yourself the name. So we'll do McCrite on one side and team 2 will be Smith, team Smith. Okay, McCrite goes first, lit up like that. Click on number 2. Como se dice blue? I say out loud, azul. Check it. If I got it correct, I get to click OK. Then Team Smith goes. Team Smith clicks on Como se dice the colors? Los colors. Los colores. I got it wrong. Click on Oops. McCrite's turn. Click on another one. Como se dice black? Blanco. I got it wrong. Click on the Oops. Smith's turn. Swap points. No fair. McCrite's turn. Como se dice brown? Cafe. Well, it's really cafe. You decide if you're going to give each other credit for that. I'm going to click Oops. Okay. Finish the game. See who has more points. You can play several times. Good luck.